Just in case you didn't notice, my CryptoQ Media channel is back online. People, buckle up, because we're going to reveal some information that might have a significant influence on Ripple and XRP. This brings me to my next point. There has been very little coverage of this news story on YouTube. The announcement that Sologinx, short for Sologinx, made earlier today is the subject of this article. Everything will be explained in detail in this video. In layman's terms, this development may herald the arrival of XRP, the XRP ledger, which will pave the way for the tokenization of US-based ETFs, stocks, and equities more broadly. If the XRP ledger holds the secret to the stock market of the future, then what is an XRP? As others have pointed out, such as Brian Brooks, they will aid in securing the US position and the dollar abroad, and my prediction is that they will be pivotal in the cryptographic arms race and distributed ledgers. He would succeed the current chair of the SEC if elected. The SEC has some great news to share. First, that your adversary, Gary Gensler, has admitted defeat is good news for XRP enthusiasts. When compared to the several of us who have openly voiced our support for stable coins, XRP represents a radical departure. One of the businesses, Sologinx, is expected to be able to assist the tokenization of equities in the US and on Wall Street more generally. This is breaking news, so the news will be covered today. It came out earlier today. Naturally, exchange-traded funds have stated that this is not a dry run. This is really happening. Obviously, they've settled on the XRP ledger as the location to achieve this. Because of this, we have decided to shoot a short video later on. Some of you might have noticed that we usually don't release videos around this time. Before anything else, let's discuss some important news. I know it's early for you Americans across the pond. Of course, we have Paul Greenwald, Coinbase's chief legal officer, right here. My mom always told me not to say anything good unless you really did have anything wonderful to say. That is why I will not be participating in this one. Obviously, this is coming straight from the official Twitter account of Gary Gensler. On January 20th, 2025, my term as chair of the SEC will conclude. While we were going over his earlier this week remarks, he basically restated them in a thread. Elon Musk also drops a line. Does the SEC really just have office hours once a month? Actually, optimizing efficiency is the main focus of the Department of Government Efficiency. To ensure precision in financial transactions and related areas, a distributed ledger should be utilized. We are moving in this direction. I think XRP will be involved, at least somewhat. Many more digital currencies are being developed that will be affected by them. And further option that Trump has raised is the idea of a crypto czar, or US head of crypto. Any projects that this individual does will certainly impact the industry as a whole in a significant way. This is great news for the cryptocurrency market overall and for XRP specifically. But this isn't the update I was hoping to give you today. There is a connection between Sologinx and the narrative I intended to tell you today. To those who are unaware, Sologenomics is an American company with global aspirations that intends to tokenize everything. Larry Fink has previously declared his support for this idea, seeing it as a potential market game changer. Additionally, these dweebs are made possible by networks and the XRP ledger. Their function will be discussed in more detail shortly. Solo Grinders recently dropped a bombshell in a video clip, and XRP is the target of this bombshell. If this is true, it means that the stock market can finally jump on the blockchain bandwagon, which might result in trillions of dollars. Rest assured, this is not just for fun. Yeah, that's life. This puts us in a great position to become the leading tokenization platform in the world. Clearly, they collaborated with a US-based legal expert, who possesses exceptional knowledge and is one of the rare individuals in this field. Naturally, I did mention texture at that point. This news article piques my interest because of the possibility that these people are XRP based at their core. The future is certainly headed toward tokenization. The stock market is likely to follow the lead of the cryptocurrency market and implement a 24-hour strategy soon. It simplifies procedures and makes life easier overall. The stock market is about to follow our lead and stop sending letters in favor of online messaging and email. The current creation of value on the internet could not have happened without blockchain technology. In a broader sense, I think XRP is the essential component. Take note of this recent development. We will be exploring Sologonic more in the following weeks since I think it's worth looking at. Get on board with the Sologonic ecosystem, which integrates cryptocurrency with international financial markets, and benefit from the XRP ledger's top-notch security features and incredibly quick transactions. You can easily trade a variety of equities on the XRP ledger or XRPL, the XRP ledger testnet, which gives you access to the top 30 exchanges globally. Through the integration of traditional banking with blockchain technology, Sologonic eliminates hurdles to participation, like the inability to purchase partial shares, and completely transforms the world of digital asset trading. One major advantage of Sologonic is the fact that it eliminates limitations on ticket sizes, which increases liquidity and flexibility across a wide range of asset classes. The most important is that it provides a decentralized exchange where users may trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins for tokens representing more than 40,000 stocks, ETFs, and commodities listed on the top global exchanges. These assets have a potential value in the trillions of dollars. The fact that users can trade whenever and wherever they like is another huge plus, as is the fact that the assets themselves are safely stored, so users' investments are safe. Blockchain transactions occur continuously, unlike traditional markets which are affected by different time zones. Trade tokenized assets while maintaining full autonomy in a decentralized setting. The article delves into the topic of asset-specific hybrid models. Additionally, the benefits of XRP integration are seen in real time. As a result, this is big, and you might be able to get your hands on something like a Tesla dollar. From a different angle, we can see that XRP, dynamic stocks, and stock swaps are only a few examples of how blockchain technology is reshaping the market. It opens up a floodgate of untapped markets. I am now at a loss for words because the gravity of the situation has set in. This is a major occasion, and I thought it was noteworthy that these individuals are doing it on XRP, therefore I wanted to inform you about it. Everyone in the XRP community, I promise you this, your time has come. This is something we've been stating for a while. I think XRP will end up being one of the best performers of the cycle. For the most part, I think that will happen after it starts dealing with the US market, the fiat market, and the currency markets. And he plans to employ XRP's ledger to make it all happen, so there's little doubt XRP is linked with equity and some sort of ETF pie. We are incredibly grateful for the viewers being here. For the time being, I ask that you subscribe and favorite my channel.